Hello kids. Kids, are you searching any new game that will refresh you? I'm here with the spellbound activity. At the end of this activity, I will tell you the magic of this game. Children, I have beautifully wrapped some special gifts for you all. I know children like gifts. Children, when you play this game, you can wrap your gifts with foil paper or you can simply wrap with newspaper. Let's start the game. The reason I wrap the gifts is because we all know it is very exciting to open presents. Even grown-ups feel curious while opening the presents. Here are some beautiful gifts for you. Meera, choose any one. Ma'am, I want big one. Okay, Meera, take it and open it. Wow! Inside the box, there is beautiful doll. Meera, can you tell me something about your doll? Yes, ma'am. It is so beautiful. Her eyes are big. Her hair is golden. Are you excited to open another gift? Yes, ma'am. Then open it. In this box, there is a pink color dress. It is very pretty. It has 4 buttons. Meera, you have used words for doll, beautiful, big, golden, and words used for dress are pink, pretty, 4. All these words are describing words. The words which tell more about the nouns are called adjectives or describing words. For example, ball. Ball is a noun. It is round. It is colorful. It is small. Words round, colorful and small are describing the noun ball. Ma'am, I'm very happy. I learned the topic describing words while playing this game. Let's see, Meera, how much have you understood? Circle the nouns and underline the adjectives. One example is given to you. Number 1, the apple is red. In this sentence, apple is a noun, so we have to circle. And red, color, all the colors and all the numbers are adjective, so we have to underline the word red. Now it's your turn, Meera. Number 2, the elephant is big. Elephant is a noun, so we have to circle. And big is a describing word, so we have to underline. Number 3, the giraffe is tall. Giraffe is a noun, so we have to circle the word giraffe. And tall is a describing word or adjective, so we have to underline. Meera, you will never forget this topic because you have learnt this topic with an experience.